I've just crossed one of the biggest milestone of any creator, YouTube monetization. Well, it did not just happen overnight, and I learned a lot of things along the way. And today I'm going to share the steps, the struggles, and what I wish I knew sooner. Well, stay tuned. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Well, I'll start by what you need for you to be monetized on YouTube. I mean, YouTube monetization requirement. I'll tell you the second part, which is you need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours for you to be monetized. Or if you're posting shorts, at least have 10 million short views in a period of 3 months. So I think the thing that is at least easy to do is 4,000 watch hours as compared to 10 million watch views. Unless you have a good number of views on shorts, then you can go with shorts. But if you're posting both short forms and long form videos, at least getting to 4,000 watch hours can be at least. As for me, getting to 1,000 subscribers hasn't been so difficult. I know most people get to 4,000 watch hours before getting 1,000 subscribers. But as for me, getting to 1,000 subscribers has been easier because I have been posting shorts, and shorts give you more subscribers than long form videos unless they do well. But at first my shorts were giving me subscribers, so I got to 1,000 subscribers earlier than I even go to 1,000 watch hours. So as you can see, so getting to 4,000 watch hours was so hectic for me. It has been difficult for me getting to 4,000 watch hours. And then as I was scrolling on YouTube, I hear someone say that you can go live. She went live, and the live video got her to 4,000 watch hours. So I tried going live. I went live for a number of times, and it got me to 4,000 watch hours. So if you are thinking of how am I going to get to 4,000 watch hours, you can opt for going live. Also, going live can give you some subscribers. Just engage with your subscribers, or let me say, just engage with your audience on your live, and you'll get subscribers, both subscribers and watch hours. So going live has been so helpful to me. It helped me to get to 4,000 watch hours. Well, after I was monetized, so this is the challenge. I'm already monetized, and I'm grateful because I'm able to earn at least some cents on YouTube. So the challenge with me is that I get less views. I get so less views. Like, you can post a video and you get only 30 views. So as you know, the more views you get, the more revenue you get on YouTube. But if I get less less views, it means that I also get less less revenue. So but I'm not giving up because I'm just starting, and I know I haven't been consistent on my posting. So from today I'm going to start to be consistently posting day in day out, and I believe that I'm going to grow. So let's come and see how my channel is doing, and I believe that you're going to learn something out of it. Also, you can share with me how your channel is going, whether you're planning to go live. Kindly go live if you haven't started going live. Live videos helps a lot. But let me share with you one thing. If you're going live, or if you're creating any video, kindly avoid somewhere that there's a lot of music, because your videos will be copyrighted and you'll not be able to monetize it. As for me, that was my challenge. I didn't know at that time. So with um, I used to go live somewhere that there's a lot of music, so my videos were contain a lot of background music, so the music were or the videos were copyrighted due to the music. So this is a free advice. Kindly, if you're going live to look for watch hours, kindly do not have background music because your videos are likely to be copyrighted. And if your videos are copyrighted, the moment you become monetized, you'll not be able to learn from earn from those videos. Yeah. So come along on me and let me show you how my account is doing. So this is my YouTube studio. As you can see here, I have 3,797 subscribers. Um, so this is the last video that I posted, learning French. So I'm on a target of learning French in a period of 90 days. So that's what I posted. Yeah, so if you're seeing this video, you can go back and see. So I'm going to analytics and see how my account is doing. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, I only earned estimated revenue is 0.37 euros. I'm earning cents in a period of 30 days. So my account is doing terribly. So as you can see, the views are 3.6k. Most of the views here are shorts, so that's why you are seeing 3.6. If it could be long form videos, maybe the revenue could be much higher, but here it's less because the most of them are shorts, and shorts have less revenue. Then as you can see, watch time is 3.35.3 hours. Then the subscribers that I've gotten in a period of 28 days, that is 11 subscribers. Then as you can see, the revenue are 0.32. It says 0.32 euros. So as you can see, so if you want to see the revenue that I've gotten, let me go to just 365 days, because that's when we can see the amount that we are able to earn. So as you can see here, I only have 5.17 euros for all the moment that I have been monetized. So I'm not even able to set my account, leave alone withdrawing the amount, because to withdraw you need at least $100, but to set your account you need $10. But I'm not yet at $10, so I'm not even able to withdraw this amount or to set my account. So I need, the moment you become monetized, you need $10 for you to set your account and to verify your PIN. Now, after setting your account, you need, the amount needs to go to at least $100, or if it's in euros, you need at least 70 euros for you to withdraw your amount. So we can go to earn. Let's see. So if you are monetized, your account will look this way. You will see where you are told you are a YouTube partner. Let me go back to earn. I don't know where earn on YouTube. Now, if you tap earn, it will be a bit different from someone who is not monetized. So if you're monetized, your account will look this way, the earn part. So you'll be told you are a YouTube partner, then what you're using. So what I'm using is watch page ads. That's if you get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you get to watch page ads and short feed ads. But the first part you'll get for membership, so someone can subscribe to your channel and you'll get some amount. That is, you only need 500 subscribers and at least 3,000 watch hours. But this part, you need at least a community that know about you. Maybe you're helping them, someone needs to support you, and they now subscribe to your channel. That is. Then another one is super, which is the first part of my. It is on the first part of monetization. So for supers, someone can gift you on your videos. Maybe they see that you have a video that is so much educative, and they decide to just gift you on it. Also, if you're going live, and you've activated the supers, someone can gift you some amount if you are engaging with them. Maybe they ask about something, and your reply has been helpful. They can decide to even gift you something, and you're able to learn from it. Then there's this shopping, so you can become an affiliate marketer, or you can post, someone can buy something from your account. I think you've been scrolling on YouTube and you see maybe t-shirts, caps, and caps on YouTube. If you buy them, so you'll be buying them from someone's account. So if you buy them, someone will be able to earn from your shopping. You earn a given amount, that is from the shopping. So as you can see here, getting paid. I'm told here that not ready for payment. What you need, no action needed at the moment. So I'm told you haven't yet met the payment threshold to receive payment. So I've told you that I need at least 100 $100 for I to be to withdraw the amount on the account. And when can I set my account? We will notify you when you are ready to complete payment setup, including confirm your personal information, submit tax information, and provide a form of payment. So here I need at least $10 for I to set. And as you have seen there, back there is I have only €5, 5.17, 5.17. I think it's like €6. So I haven't even gotten to to $10. So I can't even set my account. But I am still grateful that I'm able to earn some cents, even if it's not that much. And I'm grateful that I am monetized, and I am also hopeful that my account will be recognized by so many people, and I'll be able to get views, and I'll be able to get the amounts. So the only thing that I am grateful right now is that I am monetized, and I'm able to earn at least something. Well, I am grateful that I am monetized, and I am still hopeful that I'm going to earn from YouTube. Well, I have confirmed that YouTube is paying, because even from the less views that I get, I am able to get to €5, and I am so much grateful. And I believe if I become consistent on my posting, when I post videos that my audience wants, I'll be able to get some views, and I'll be able to get some money out of YouTube. Well, kindly share with me what you're going through on your videos, the progress that you are in on your channel, and let's grow together. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and let's meet on the next video.